Hello children, we are learning in every lesson some important values. Here we are going to start our next lesson 6, obedience to elders. Here we are going to learn about the value obedience. See children, obedience is the very mostly important value. If you have obedience, you can reach even the greater heights. Yes, obedience is the most important value compared to anything. Just here we are going to see about this lesson. First we are going to see about a family of sheep. Yes. About a family of sheep. See, a sheep is living as a family. See, in the mountainside, there was a family group. It is living in the mountainside. So when it's living there, it can have all its necessary. It from the mountain it will take. Yes. So the family of sheep, it's living there. So in the sheep family, there was a little lamb. Little lamb. So you know the lamb, yes? Lamb, the baby sheep is called as lamb. There was a little lamb that it will always roam somewhere away. It will go outside, it will roam here and there. So it will not be with the group of sheep. It will not be with the group. It will go alone everywhere. It will go alone and eat and come. It will go roam here and there. It will go far away distance like that. So when it's going outside, the elders of the sheep family, they will warn the lamb. They will warn the small lamb severely that you should not go out here and there like this. Okay, don't be naughty like this. Okay, if you go away alone, there will be something dangerous will happen. Like that, the elders of the sheep family, they will warn. So if they will want, but the lamb, it will not take it into the itself. So what will happen? So next day also it will follow the old conditional lamb. So it will go here and there and enjoy and come. So once like that, it went away the mountainside. When it was searching here and there and finding where it lost. It was in the middle of the forest and it lost its way. So it don't know. So by the time it lost the way, it was growing dark. The night is started to coming. The very dark coming. So when the night started to come very dark, so it started to shout like bleating. The sound of the sheep is the bleating sound, bleating. Yes. So it started to cry. It started to bleat. So what happened? So in the forest we can find it. Wolves also living there. Yes, wolves is very fond of. Okay, wolf is very fond of the lamb because it will eat it every time. Yes, we have the stories about the sheep and the wolf, everything. So like that. So the wolf is searching at the night time. It's searching something for filling its stomach. So it hears the lamb's bleating sound. When it hears the lamb's bleating sound, it feels very happy. Yes, I find my dinner today. It feels very happy. So what happened after it finds? Okay, it feels very happy. Yes. So the lamb took the wolf took the lamb as its meal that day. The dinner is for wolf. The dinner is lamb only. So the lamb, it did not get the second chance to live. It's not able to escape from the wolf. Okay. Yes. So what happened? It is the lamb died because of why? Because the lamb disobeyed the sheep family, elders of the sheep family commands. Since the lamb disobeyed, it lost its life. Yes, like that we can see one more incident. In the family, okay, in the family there was a small boy. He was once, okay, taking the knife. The knife will be very sharp. With the knife he is cutting the small sticks. He is cutting the small stick. While he is cutting the sticks, yes, no, his mother warning him, dear boy, don't play with the knife. It is not good to play with the knife. Okay, something seriousness will happen. Please keep the knife down and be quiet, like that. The mother is warning the child. But the boy, he was very busy in that. He is telling, mother, I know how to handle a knife. Okay, don't worry, like that he is telling. But in the next moment itself, the stick fallen down, missed, and he cut his hand with the knife. It happened that he cut his own finger, just the finger, no, index finger. He cut the index finger into half. Index finger is cut. Okay, it is cut. So what happened? So he was taken to hospital. In the hospital, after doctor examined, doctor telling the mother that his finger is cut and we have to remove his half of the index finger. The doctor is telling we have to remove the index finger, like that telling. So why the index finger was removed? Because the boy was not sincere and he was not obedient. Since he disobeyed his mother, his index finger is now lost. Yes, see the danger, how it is coming. So when the elders telling something, it is for the good of ours only. Yes, it is for the good of ourselves only. Next, we can see one more small incident. That is in the Europe country. In the Europe country, there were many small countries living. Okay, in the Europe continent, small countries there, like England, France. Okay, many things there. So one time there was a war. Okay, from Euro country against someone. As a part of Euro country, there was a England and France. They both together fighting. In the England, England king is the Richard. He was the lion-hearted man. England king name is Richard. He was known. He was a famous. Okay, his title is lion-hearted king, like that. Okay, the England king Richard and the France king, they both together fighting against enemy. So the total, now the commander of this Europe is the France king only. France king is the commander. France king is commander. So whatever he tells, others should obey, like that. Okay, whatever commander tells, that is the nice, that is the good one. Others must obey. Okay, like that, commander. So the king of England also must obey what is the commander telling. Okay, like that. So now the commander telling that the king Richard, you be in the backside and protect from the backside, that enemy should not come and fight from the backside, like that telling. And the France king is in the front side. The France king in the front side and the England king is in the back side. So both, okay, fighting. But in the back side there is not much fighting going. Okay, it is very easy. Nobody there, and he was feeling lazy there. He feel restless. I want to fight, like that, back side. And if he left his place and coming to front side and asking the France king, okay, how was the war is going? How was the war is going? Like that, he is asking. What is the situation? From back side, he is coming in front and asking what is the situation. Then the commander telling that I feel that we will lose this war. He is telling. Why? What happened? Like that, the King Richard asking. Then the commander telling that because many of our soldiers are disobeying our command, like that telling. Many of our soldiers disobeying our commands, like that telling. Then the King Richard telling that who is that telling? we will give them punishment like that telling. Then the commander telling that, okay, if we want to give the punishment to the disobeying soldier, then you must be the first one. You must be the first one to be punished, he is telling. Because you disobeyed my command. I gave you the duty to be in the backside and protect it. But you left your place and coming here. Yes, so you disobeyed and you must be punished, like that the king is telling. Okay, the commander telling. So the king Richard now realized his fault and mistake and is disobedient, and he told, sorry, I will do my work, and he left and came back. Yes. So here the king, he realized that obedience is the first thing. If you obey to our elders or our authorities, if we obey, we can be do the anything, whatever the place we can occupy it, like that. So if we obey, if you obey to our elders, we also growing to be elders later after years. After years we will be a elders. Then we can guide our small generation, okay, smaller ones, our younger generation, we can small our children, we can guide it. So if you obey only, our children can obey to us, okay, like that. Okay, we must be good, then only our children will be good. So obedience is the very important value. Obedience is the important value. Just when in your family, if your mother and father telling you, okay, sit and study, or do this, do the homework, okay, every day take bath, comb your hair, if they're telling you any suggestion or any command, take it and follow it. That is for your purpose only. In the school, if the teacher is telling you any work giving you and any responsibility if the teacher is giving you, you have to do it. If you follow that only, you will be a good person, obedient person. Then you will taste the fruit in the end, everything. If you be obedient, yes, be obedient, that is the important thing. I hope students you understood this lesson 6, obedience to elders. Yes, kindly I request you, this obedience is a very important one. Okay, just take your book and read this lesson. Read this lesson, everything. Just it's a story only. Take the lesson and read it. Very nice this lesson to read it. Okay, you will enjoy this lesson. Okay, student, we will see in the next class. Thank you.